Dawn to Dusk Diaries. The rise of summers. Life has become nothing but a daydream. In a blink of an eye, the scenery changed. The melodious song sang by the birds. And the fresh summer breeze between the green meadow. A red rose blooms. It made me think, why do we always break the perfect things? In that world of dreams, those who tend to wake up early, to the birds chirping, a moment very beautiful. The way we got lost in the colors of the world. The way one flower withers while making a place for other to bloom. Only few tend to capture this miraculous moment, to run after their dreams, find a new opportunity to start again. Chase the time till the rising sun, only found one answer, that feeling grateful for small things in life brings big keys to turn dreams into reality. So, do you ever dream of dreams? And yes, I do. You know what? A Beautiful Thinking, Version 1.